back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am bringing you another social media work from home job lead. This one is part-time, but pays extremely well. The big online review website YELP is hiring a B2B or business-to-business social media specialist. This is remote within the United States only, and again, it is a part-time. Now, a lot of people review restaurants on Yelp, and that is what they're looking for someone to do. Be solely focused on the restaurant's social media specialist. You'll work with other team members inside and out to develop content that generates restaurant owner traffic to the Yelp restaurants. They are looking for somebody to work 25 to 29 hours a week, and you will manage the Yelp for restaurant content calendar for Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, including copywriting and visual asset creation. You'll handle the day-to-day posting of content and social community interactions and conversations on the Yelp for restaurants for, again, all those social media platforms. You'll moderate and respond to comments on organic and paid posts across all the social media pages. You'll identify any trends or conversations that are happening in the restaurant space and look for them for content creation opportunities. Now, one thing to note, this is going to require a degree. They're looking for a bachelor degree in journalism, communication, English, or some kind of relevant professional experience. Someone who has 3 years of direct hands-on experience supporting business-to-business social properties in a corporate environment. They also want you to have a video-centric social experience with channels such as Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. So it looks like you do have to already have a social presence. Now, if that is you, though, they are paying $25 to $32 an hour. All right, sharing is always caring, so if you found this job lead or any job leads that I share helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, like button, and share with your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.